Hello, in this video we will understand about the Ramadan fasting. So Ramadan fasting is very important and efficient way to clean your body. So in this way the physiology change and the hormonal changes, the interaction that occur in the Ramadan fasting we will understand in this video. So basically, on the basis of the new research, we will understand. Here is a Muslim person which whenever not eat, so stop eating during whole day, the all day. So in this way, the starvation will lead to again refeed. So in this way, the open fasting. So between the open fasting and the fasting duration, the benefit is very great. So in this video we will understand about the uridine, the study about the uridine, which that is important for the RNA synthesis, DNA synthesis, and brain function, the cognitive function, and increase the energy, fat loss, and the growth as well as the regeneration of your tissue. So those basically the damaged cell will remove while the healthy cell will maintain in your body. So this is the person which they are basically the Muslim contain blood circulatory system. So the glucose and triacylglycerol basically involved. So the triacylglycerol will increase due to the lipolysis, while the glucose will decrease due to the restriction of the intake of the carbohydrate. So the triacylglycerol and the free fatty acid increase in your blood will target to the several tissue like heart and muscle. So in this way, the pancreas release the beta cell of pancreas release the insulin. So it will decrease the exocytosis because the less glucose in your body. So the hypoglycemia will occur with a late fasting time. The glucagon and the epinephrine and the growth factor, growth hormone, will lead to increase the lipid breakdown. So the fat will break down is known as the lipolysis. So the breakdown of fat will increase the triacylglycerol and free fatty acid in the blood. So the triacylglycerol and free fatty acids go into the liver to ketogenesis to produce ketones, beta hydroxy, butyrate, acetone, keto acid, and acetoacetate for production of ATP in the mitochondria. It is involved in the brain, muscle, and other part like digestive system. So in this way, the ketone is very efficient way to produce energy without using of the insulin. So in this way, the insulin decrease while the growth hormone will increase the alternate pathway due to the growth of your body. So the fasting increase the growth hormone. So the growth hormone decrease the fat while increase the muscle and bone growth. So in this way, the growth hormone increase due to the decrease of the insulin. So this is a very long study to understand, but a lot of video in my channel you can watch to understand how insulin decrease and the glucagon will increase, and how insulin decrease and increase the growth hormone. But in this way, the fasting and the refeed we will understand regard to the pyridine. Sorry, uridine, not pyridine, uridine. So this is the fat. So the fat, basically accumulation of fat will lead to cause obesity. So this is the yellowish color is the adipose tissue, while the brain and the liver as well as the digestive system and the gallbladder, and on the other hand the portal vein, which that absorb the glucose etc and go into the liver. So the basically important. So the temperature will decrease during the fasting, and the oxygen consumption also decrease, which that inhibit the leptin hormone. The leptin hormone inhibit will lead to increase the uridine, because the leptin will inhibit the uridine. So in this way, the leptin inhibit lead to increase the uridine. On the other hand, it will lead to synthesis of DNA and a lot more repair mechanism, while the IGF-1 decrease. So insulin growth factor 1 decrease. So in this way, the hypothalamus will sense the signal, the uridine, to function properly in the neurogenesis as well as the other regenerative process. So cholesterol will increase due to the free fatty acid when enter into the liver. The hepatocyte will convert in the free fatty acid and triacylglycerol into the cholesterol, and that cholesterol, extra cholesterol, will excrete in the digestive system through bile. So this digestive tract duodenum involved. On the other hand, important thing you should need to understand, the waste, the extra cholesterol will be waste in the feces. This is a growth factor increase when the fasting will lipolysis to increase the free fatty acid in the blood. So the partially increase the fatty acid, and the hyperlipidemia will occur in your blood, but it is partial. It will excrete through the bile, so don't worry about that. So body temperature increase when you will refeed and increase the oxygen consumption for respiration and aerobically, and in this way the leptin will increase for inhibit the appetite, and in this way the uridine will inhibit due to the leptin increase. In this way the uridine when increase partially throughout the month, so the alternate pathway of the uridine increase and decrease will lead to repair and regenerate, and lipolysis will occur. So in this way the fasting will decrease the fat while the free feed will increase the lipogenesis. In this way the fat accumulation will increase. So in this video, the regard to the uridine stop will lead to RNA synthesis decrease, enzyme synthesis, and energy decrease. So on the other hand, the energy metabolism decrease, and the brain function will decrease, and synaptic plasticity will increase. But when you will fast, so the uridine increase lead to function properly your body. See you in the next video. For this time, bye. Allah Hafiz.